Todoist is a user-friendly task management tool that helps individuals and teams organize tasks, set priorities, and stay on top of deadlines. Here's how to get started. Set up your account. Sign up for Todoist via its website or mobile app. Log in and familiarize yourself with the interface, which includes an inbox, task list, and productivity tools. Create projects. Click plus add project to create categories for tasks such as work, personal, or groceries. Assign colors to projects for better organization. Add tasks. Use the plus add task button to list specific items you need to complete. Include deadlines, reminders, and descriptions to add context. Organize tasks. Prioritize tasks using levels like Priority 1 for urgent items and lower levels for less critical tasks. Group tasks under sections or subtasks for structured workflows. Track progress. Use the today and upcoming views to see tasks by due date. Check off completed tasks to track your accomplishments. Collaborate. Share projects with others and assign tasks to team members.